Hi, good morning dear students. This is Khaseemappa, Assistant Mathematics teacher from SVEM School, Harginamara. Dear students, this is class 7, part 7 video for the 6th standard, first chapter, knowing our numbers. Dear students, last topic in our class regarding to the knowing our numbers. The last content in this chapter, that is Roman numbers. That is first content, Roman numbers. Yes, Roman numbers. Yes, you know that Roman numbers. Yes, some basic Roman numbers you know that. Suppose, yes, as we know that Indo-Arabic numbers, Indo-Arabic numbers, we know that Indo-Arabic numbers, we know that, and with that also, yes, Roman numbers, yes. Here one is the Indo-Arabic number. Yes, one is the Indo-Arabic number. This I we can represent as Roman numbers as 1. Yes, 2. Yes, in Arabic numbers, especially Roman numbers, that is 2. Then 3. For the 3, yes, like this we can represent in Roman numbers. 4. Yes. Next 5. Okay. Then for the 6, yes, we can represent like this. 7. Yes, VII. Then 8. Yes, VII. Then 9. Yes, IX. 10 minus 1, 9. Then for the 10, yes, we can represent X. Then 11 XI. For the 12, XII. For the 13, X3. Yes, double I, triple I. Then 14 X. Then IV. For the 15, X V. For the 16, XVI. Sorry, XVI. Like this. Then 17, you can continue onwards. Dear students, here one more important content, that is, here after we know that 16, 17. Okay. Then 17. Yes, 17 we can represent like XVI. For the 18, XVI. Then 19, yes, XIX. For the 20, we can represent as XX. For the 21, yes, 21, XX1. 22, XX. Then 23, yes, double X, I. Then 24, X. Then we know that 4, like that. Then 25 years, XXV. Yes, you can continue. You can write down from 1 to 100 right now. Then some a special word or specific standard Roman numbers is there now. I want to introduce you some standard numbers which are using in Roman numbers. What are those Roman numbers? Let us see. Yes, I will remove this one. Let us write those. Yes. Some standard Roman numbers we are using in our mathematics to represent some a big number. Yes, those standard numbers, let us see. Yes, suppose basically we know that X means 10. Okay. Then C means 100. Then L means 15. For the, yes, D we know that, yes, D means 500. Then M means 1000. M means 1000. These are all very important standard Roman numbers. If we keep these things, then we can continue whatever the numbers they can give as whatever numbers we can write. But these are very important. With this, dear friends, suppose they can tell you, suppose yes 220, write in 220, write in Roman numbers. 200 we know that just C is C means here 100. 200 I can write as 200 plus 20. Can I write? Yes, I can write. 200 means C 100. Here another one C 200 plus 20. We know that XX. Yes, combine together C X. This is the 220. Suppose they can ask you 150. Yes, write 150. Yes, example 150. We know I can write this as 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50. Yes, 100 means C plus 50 means L. Yes, I can write as CL. 150. Not casual leave. This is CL means 150. Then they can ask example 3. Yes, 140. Can write 140. Yes, 140. Just to see, I can write this as 100 plus 40. Yes, 100 means C. 40 means you know that 40. Don't write as X. Just you have to write as XL. XL. It indicates that XL means here 40. Yes, now we can write as CXL. CXL is 140. Whatever the numbers they can give you, dear students, you have to write neatly like this. Then you will become perfect. With this, one more. With this, your chapter is completed, finished. Exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, everything exercise problems I will provide you in PDF in group. Don't worry about, dear students. I will give you everything, question with solutions in the group. Dear students, few more examples we have to see regarding to the Roman numbers. Roman numbers. Yes. Suppose they can ask you, yes, 450. 450, how can you write? You know that just you have to write this as 400 plus 50. 400, can you write like this? C. No, this is wrong way. Here we know that here D means here how much, ma? 500. D means here 500. You have to subtract yes 100 from the 500. That will become 500. 500 minus 100. Yes, that is 400. It means that I can write 400 as CD plus 50. You know that L. Yes, CDL means, yes, CDL means 450. Then see few more examples for this. Suppose they can give you example 2. Yes, they can give you. Suppose XXIV. Write in Indo-Arabic numbers. That number is in Roman numbers. You have to write in Indo-Arabic numbers. Here X means we know that XX means 20. Yes, 20 plus this 4, 24. Yes, 24. Yes, I can write this as 24. XXIV means 24. Example 3. Suppose MXV. M means we know that 1000. M means 1000 plus X means 10 plus V means 5. Yes, 1000. Yes, 1015. 1000 plus 10, 1010 plus 5, 1015.